Hi everyone! In today's class, we have another breaking down yoga video, and we are going to break down Supta Padangusthasana 1, 2, and 3. So the English term for that is supine hand to toe pose. So you are going to need a strap or a belt for this class. So we'll start lying down on the mat. Okay. So from here, okay, we'll start with the right. We'll do this with the right leg. So you'll straighten your left leg, bring it down, so as if you're standing up. So we'll flex through that left foot. And then we'll use a strap for this one. Okay, you'll go ahead and place it on the arch of your right foot, and then we'll straighten that right leg towards the ceiling, any amount. Okay. Now, if hamstring is a bit tight, now for Supta Padangusthasana 1, okay, if hamstrings are tight, you can angle the leg a little bit lower or closer to the floor. That's why we're using a strap. But I know for some traditions, or if you're working towards a certain goal, then go ahead, maybe your hand will reach for the foot. Okay? But for this, you are welcome to use a strap or a belt. Okay? Now, once you hold on to the strap, okay, so notice what's happening to the hips. Now, your left leg is anchoring you down, but you also want the sense of your right waist lengthening. Okay. So if we're doing this standing up, notice if your right hip is hiking up or moving towards the armpit. So what you want is the right butt lengthening towards the left foot, or lengthening forward since I'm lying down. Okay. And then from here, you can just gently pull on the strap. Okay. Don't forget to breathe. You'll feel this a lot at the back of the legs, breathing in and breathing out. As for the shoulders, okay, you can use the full length of the strap if you want to press the shoulders down, or maybe just relax the arms by the sides. Okay, breathing in and out. And then from here, to move it to Supta Padangusthasana 2, okay, you hold both straps with the right hand, or maybe for some, you might be holding onto the big toe. So what you would want is your left side to anchor you down. Okay? So you'll turn the right leg first so that there's space at the hip socket. We'll turn the right leg out, so you'll point the toes towards the right side. And then as you hold on to the straps, we'll start to swing that right leg open. So again, any amount. You can stop at this height, or if you're still able to press your left side down, you can still open that right leg out. So what we want, maybe explore. Notice if your left butt is lifting up. Okay, so if I lift my left butt up, maybe my right leg will reach down to the floor. So what we want here is the anchor of that left side body. Okay. So sometimes you might hear a few teachers say, use your left hand to press down on that left leg. Okay. So giving you that anchor, so maybe left side body is active as well, as your right heel is reaching for that side. Okay. Now, since we're using a strap, you can always adjust your hands like what I'm doing. Since we're using a strap, think about your foot kicking towards the strap. And then if you want a little bit more effort, okay, maybe just gently bringing the leg closer to the right side body. So again, similar to Supta 1, you want the right side of your body lengthening as well. And then staying here, breathing here. So of course, pulling up that belly, finding that zipper. One more breath. And then to take it into Supta Padangusthasana 3, which is the twist, we'll start to lift that right leg up. Okay? And then you'll switch hands. Okay, this time it's the left hand holding onto the straps. This time your right arm will be your anchor. Press it down together with the right shoulder, and then you'll twist. We'll bring that right leg over towards the left side. And then notice, as we twist, your left foot can start to turn towards the outside edge of the foot. Okay. And then from here, again, since you have the strap, you can adjust it. Okay? Maybe you'll gently bring the leg closer to the chest. You'll get a bit of a stretch here at the right butt cheek. Okay, kick the foot into the strap, okay, giving you a bit more length. See how that feels. And then notice here, if I'm hiking my hip, this is how it looks like. So my right side waist is short. So we want this long, okay. So I hope you can see the difference when we lengthen the right side body. So right butt or sit bone is lengthening forward. Okay, breathing in and breathing out. And then from here, we'll slowly come back to center. And then you can hug the knees in towards the chest. And then make sure that you also do it on the other side. Namaste. So I hope that tutorial was very helpful for you. Know that you will get a good stretch at the back of your legs, particularly the hamstring muscles. And when you move into Supta 2, you'll get that stretch at the inner thighs. And when you add the twist, you'll get it at your butt muscles or at the outside edges of the hips. So I would like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.